If you have a cool business idea and don't know how to get started, but you do know you want it to be profitable without destroying our planet and communities, then we have the perfect program for you. Introducing the Sustainable Entrepreneur Training Program, or SET. It takes you from the idea to presentation-ready stages of your startup. Along the way, we will do what we can to ensure your company has a positive impact on our planet and communities. And by doing this, your business will be even more profitable. Through our course, you will learn how to be an entrepreneur, integrate sustainability, and launch your business. You will walk away with powerful marketing, team, and financial plans, a crystal clear launch strategy, a one-page business description, and a presentation slide deck and video. With these, you will be able to present your idea to whomever you want, investors, customers, and others. Throughout the course, you will have 5 expert instructors helping you along the way. Each have had companies and collectively have worked with many thousands from around the world. We help you take your idea and build it into a working business using sustainable business practices. Instead of thinking and dreaming about your business, you will be doing it. We'll take the leap together. So sign up now and be the future.